Hello all, you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a butterfly dress. You can call it a butterfly top as well. This top is so beautiful, like as you can see as I'm displaying it, it's so easy to make. It takes like practically 20 to 30 minutes and you're done. So just sit back and relax and I will show you how to sew this. This is super easy. I know it's been a minute guys, I've not been uploading videos, but I'll be posting videos every now and then, I promise. So this is a 2 meters fabric, 2 yards fabric, and it's folded into two. It's folded into two, and I'll be taking the measurement, my neck measurement, and it's 8 inches. I'm using 8 inches as my neck measurement from the center. So here now, I'm trying to get the midpoint of this fabric that is folded into two. That's why I'm using the measurement, taking the measurement. So I will now go to the center and take the measurement of my neck. So that is the measurement, that is where my neck is, that is the center of the neckline. So I'm going to mark out 8 inches. So that is 4 inches on both sides. You just watch as I mark it out. Like so. And the deepness, the depth of my neckline is 4.5 inches, like so. So I'm just going to connect it. So after connecting it, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. This fabric is very soft and it's shiny, so it's quite a delicate fabric. And as well, the sides of this fabric doesn't really need much doing. You don't need to sew all the sides, so I'm just working on just the neck and the area that I'm going to show you in a minute. So now from my measurement to my bust point is 10 inches. So I'm going to mark out 10 inches, like that's my bust point. So that is 10 inches from shoulder to bust, and to my under bust is 14, like so. Under bust, yeah, 14. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the measurement of my bust point. So my bust point is 37 inches. So I will be folding it into either way you want it. Either you fold it into two and measure it this way, or like so from the center, or you open it like so into two. That is 37 divided by 2, like so from the center. Then you mark it out. You make the marking. So as you can see, this fabric is folded on the right side. Don't fold it to the wrong side. It needs to be on the right side because we are sewing on the right side. So now I will be taking the measurement of my under bust and that is 34 inches divided by 2, that is 17. So that is how I'm doing it. So now so the length of this top is 25 inches, so I will go all the way down and use my hip measurement at the end there. Then after getting to the hip point, I will now connect all the fabric together. I'm just trying to get the total measurement of the dress. So now, as you can see, I'm connecting it because yes, that's my hip measurement. So after getting all these measurements now, I'm connecting them like so, and just how you're seeing it, that is how I'm just going to sew on it, just on the markings. I'm just going to sew on the markings like that. So first of all, I'm just going to go ahead and sew the neckline. I'm sewing the neckline on bias because that's the only way it's going to work with this soft fabric. So I cut out a portion of the fabric, and that's what I'm using as the bias. Now that I've sewn it, I'm going to go ahead and fold it in, fold the bias in as I've sewn it to the top, the neckline. Folding it in like so, then I'm going to stitch it like that all the way around. So now here you can see that I'm done with the neck, and this is what the neck is looking like. This is the neckline that it's looking like, and I'm going to go ahead and sew the lines that I haven't connected on the top. So here, as you can see, I'm just sewing right on all the lines. I'm not moving away from the line. I'm just following the trace of the line until the end. So just what I'm doing, I'm going to repeat it on the other side of the top. And that will be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless. Bye.